Are you ready to boost your exchange's growth by tapping into the power of affiliate marketing? Let's explore the step-by-step strategy to find and partner with the right affiliates to promote your crypto platform effectively. Define your affiliate program goals. Before reaching out to affiliates, get clear on your objectives. Do you want to increase course enrollments? Are you targeting crypto traders, brokers, or beginners? And what commission structure will you offer? Fixed, per sale, or percentage-based? Example, your exchange wants to onboard 100+ traders monthly. You could offer a 30% commission per successful referral sign-up. Identify the right affiliates. Look for partners with an audience aligned to your goals. This includes crypto bloggers and influencers on YouTube, Twitter, or Medium, educational platforms that focus on fintech and blockchain, crypto news websites like Cointelegraph or niche blogs, online investment communities, Telegram, Discord, or Facebook groups. Example, a crypto-focused YouTuber could create review videos about your exchange, sharing affiliate links in their descriptions. Outreach and recruitment. Shortlist potential affiliates and reach out professionally. Send personalized emails highlighting your program benefits. Offer early bird incentives like higher commissions for the first 2 months. Make it easy. Provide banners, templates, and tracking links. Example, email. Subject, partner with your exchange name. Earn 30% commission on broker signups. Provide affiliate tools and support. Support your affiliates with everything they need. A user-friendly tracking dashboard via Impact, PartnerStack, or your in-house system. Ready-made promo materials, banners, social media posts, and email templates. A dedicated contact for support and guidance. Example, affiliates get real-time insights through a personalized dashboard tracking clicks, sales, and commissions. Optimize and scale your program. Regularly review affiliate performance. Offer performance-based bonuses. Encourage affiliates to create valuable content testimonials, case studies, or videos. Example, reward a top-performing affiliate who brings in 100+ signups with a 40% commission boost. Building a successful affiliate program for your crypto exchange is all about smart outreach, the right tools, and ongoing optimization. Partner with the right influencers, bloggers, and educators, and scale your signups efficiently. Let's grow together one referral at a time.